Hey folks, welcome to the Express.js playlist, and this is the part 2 of template engine. If you haven't checked out my previous video, which is part 1 of template engines, then kindly check it out. The link is in description. So without further wasting any time, let's start. So in previous video, we have already sent it a single data, which is request.parents.name. Now in this video, we are going to send multiple data. So let's say my data is equals to, let's say name, let's say CWW, let's say roll number. This is the example. So let's say standard 12, and now let's provide here, let's refresh this, and let's say data is equals to my data, and let's go to this user file. So this is user.nodejs. Let me remove this, and let's remove this, and let's provide here. So we are providing name, roll number, and standard. So data, so let's say percentage is equals to, and percentage greater than. Let's provide here data dot name. Let's copy this, data dot standard, and data dot roll number, or you can say roll number. So roll number. Now let's try to run this. Let's type nodemon app.js, press enter. Now let's try to run this. So localhost 3000 user slash, let's type here anything, let's say www, and you can see this is our name, this is standard, and this is roll number. So that's how we can provide here multiple values. Now let's provide here a small array. So let's say hobbies, and let's provide here singing, learning, or you can say running. Now let's try to access this array, this app.js hobbies array in this user.nodejs file. So first of all, let's erase this, and let's provide here small boilerplate, and let's try to access here this the hobbies data in the li tag. So let's provide here li. So first of all, we have to start here our whole loop. So first of all, we have data and dot hobbies dot for each. So for each is the loop for iterating through the array, and function is containing items, so you can access one by one any items from the array. And let's try, first of all let me close this sign. So first of all, let's close here. Again, let's start here, and again let's close here out of the loop. Now let's provide here li for each items. So again start the arrow sign, let's provide here item, and percentage, close the arrow. Let's remove this line, and remove this li, also we don't need. And let's try to run this. So you can see in the output singing, learning, and running. This data which is provided in the array in app.js hobbies. So you can iterate through array using for each loop like this. So for this, like this, and that's how we can iterate through the array. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.